Yo, 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 welcome back everyone. It's time for another IQ Splash adventure. Today's mission is to guess the food by the emojis. You'll face 20 emoji puzzles with only 10 seconds for each one. Think fast and trust your instincts. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump into the fun. Let's get started. Can you guess this food? Absolutely right. It's a cupcake. Can you crack this one? Cherry pie, a classic American dessert. Can you work out the answer? Correct, it's dumplings. Can you name this food? Those are chicken wings. What food is this? Wow, tasty, it's a muffin. I think you'll know this food. Crunchy and delicious potato chips. Can you guess this food? Yum, it's chocolate ice cream. Which food matches these emojis? That's a flavorful shrimp taco. Here's another one. Can you guess the food? Sunny side up, it's a fried egg. Can you guess this food? A sweet breakfast treat, it's a chocolate pancake. Are you ready for the next one? Hey, gumdrops. Take a good look. What's your answer? Steak and eggs. Guess the food? Lucky you, it's a fortune cookie. What's your answer for this one? Jelly beans. What meal do these emojis point to? Warm and comforting, it's creamy mushroom soup. Can you identify this food? Fancy choice, it's a truffle ball. Can you guess this food? It's the famous Big Mac. Which food do these emojis represent? Wahoo mooncake! Can you guess this delicious food? Oh, IQ's favorite, popcorn. Solve the emoji puzzle. Shrimp noodles,